In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Walmart app on Android. If you want an easy way to shop, browse products, manage orders, and access Walmart services right from your phone, installing the app is a great place to start. The process is simple and only takes a few moments. Begin by unlocking your Android device and opening the Google Play Store. This is the official app store for Android, and it's the safest place to download apps like Walmart. Once the Play Store is open, look at the top of the screen and tap the search bar. In the search bar, type Walmart, shopping and savings, then tap search on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of matching results. Look for Walmart, shopping and savings in the results, and tap on it to open the app's download page. Before installing, it can be helpful to quickly confirm that you've selected the correct app by checking the app name and recognizable Walmart branding. Once you're on the app page, tap Install. At this point, your phone will begin downloading and installing the app automatically. Depending on your internet speed and device performance, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. During this time, just wait for the installation to finish. If you're using mobile data, keep in mind that download time may vary, and a stable connection will help the process go smoothly. When the installation is complete, you'll see an Open button. Tap Open to launch the Walmart app for the first time. The app should load in just a moment, and from there you can begin setting it up for use. After the app opens, sign in with your Walmart account if you already have one. If you're new to Walmart and don't have an account yet, tap Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions to get started. Make sure you enter your details carefully so your account is set up correctly and you can access features like order tracking and save preferences. Once you're signed in, you're ready to start using the app. You can shop for products, browse categories, manage your existing orders, and explore Walmart's features directly from your Android device. It's a convenient option if you prefer shopping on your phone instead of using a web browser. And that's it. That's how to download the Walmart app on Android, install it, open it, and get started using it right away.